Hi, this is Andrew from Paragon Slide Cabinet. It's the original microslide cabinet for over 60 years and is a staple in pathology, histology, and dermatology labs nationwide. Today we're talking about the differences between our Paragon C101 microslide 6-drawer cabinet versus our competitors and why Paragon is the leader in the space. Our Paragon C101 microslide cabinet is designed to store up to 54,000 slides in only 2 square feet of space, making it a real space saver. Now, each cabinet is designed to hold 4,500 slides and can be stacked up to 12 cabinets, expanding that space to 54,000 slides. Our cabinets are stackable, so you can easily stack our Paragon slide cabinets as many as 12 high. They interlock securely, so you can expand your storage capacity as your slides capacity grows. You can stack them directly on a table, a desk, a counter, or on the floor with our C101 sturdy base. Each drawer has 2 compartments, so you can store approximately 750 slides per drawer, and they are removable and interchangeable. Our cabinets are the sturdiest in the industry with our new, heavier 20-gauge steel and reinforced design. We have the smoothest performance as our drawers slide easily and slides can be filed and retrieved easily as well. Each cabinet comes with a free starter kit, which consists of a pack of 100 C108 memorandum markers and a set of C109 movable compressor blocks for slide management. Our cabinets are designed for long-term slide archiving for more than 20 years. We only use high-quality hardware. Our label holders and pull knobs are made out of brass. We offer the cabinets in a choice of green, gray, or tan. If you have any questions about our cabinets, please give us a call today. Thank you.